you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we are opening up Rocksbox, which is a jewelry subscription. It's a little unique and different from other jewelry subscriptions I've opened on my channel because technically it's like a jewelry rental subscription. So I do pay for this one myself. Rocksbox costs $21 per month, and what you get is 3 pieces of jewelry. They have stylists that can curate the boxes for you, but once that box is curated, you have 48 hours and you can swap items, so you can really pick exactly what you're getting. They have all different types of jewelry. I tend to get mostly like earrings. Sometimes I will get a necklace as well because that's just what I prefer to wear. I don't really wear rings or bracelets too often, but if you do, you can definitely get those. They have a bunch of different brands, like Kendra Scott, I know, is one big brand on there. I am going to link them down below if you want to browse the jewelry they have. I do have a referral link, and this will get you your first month free, so you can try it free for 30 days, and within that 30-day window, you can decide to cancel it or continue and get charged that $21. The $21 you do pay, that can be used as any credit if you wanted to purchase items from your set. So either you can send everything back or you can purchase things that were sent to you. If you purchase all 3 of the items that were sent to you, you save an additional $10. And the pieces you get, you actually get a member discount being a subscriber to Rocksbox, so you pay a little bit less than the retail value. So I feel like that was a lot of information. I'll try and leave as much of that down below. If you guys have any questions, of course, always ask me in the comment section. I should mention, if you do use my referral link and you get a free month, I do receive some store credit that I can use. So once you become a subscriber to Rocksbox, then you can have that same thing. You'll get a referral link, and if any of your friends or family sign up, then you will get $25 credit to purchase anything from your set or their shop. So before we get to the unboxing portion, I just want to remind you all that there are several giveaways going on in our channel. Those are always linked in the description box. So Rocksbox comes in this bag, and what's really neat about it is that you can reuse this bag. So when you send back your set, there's a prepaid label inside this bag, and you can use the same exact bag to send it back. So I really like that. I think it's really eco-conscious and convenient. So it always comes in this cute box. Oops, you can see there. I think it's adorable. Inside it says, "Hey gorgeous." And then it will talk about the pieces, or I mean, it'll show you the pieces you got, what the member price is compared to the retail price. And then there's a little note here that says, "What happens next?" It says, "Rock your stylist picks. Wear your pieces for as long as you'd like. If you love it, buy it. Don't want to part with something? Purchase your faves with your monthly $21 membership credit at rocksbox.com. Send back for more. Use a prepaid label and reusable envelope to return the remaining set when you're ready for more." And then I think that was pretty much what I already told you. Sorry if that was repetitive. And then there's another little card in here. I've never seen this before. Oh, okay, so this is cute, but on the back it has some tips for jewelry care, which is convenient. They used to send it as like a little circular piece of paper. But it says, "We strive to offer high quality pieces that will endure the test of time. Our top tips for proper jewelry care are to avoid contact with water, perfume, and other chemicals. Take your jewelry off when you're showering or swimming, exercising, cleaning, all of that. And then use soft jewelry bag to polish and store your pieces." And then everything is wrapped up, so let's get this open. So here's that prepaid label. I always just keep it in there so when I'm ready to send it back, I know where it is. And we have an individual bag for each of the pieces. And like that note said, you can use these bags to clean your pieces themselves. So let's open this one first. And these are some earrings by Perry Street. I thought they were really pretty. They're like palm trees, or palm leaves, I should say. I feel like they're very appropriate for Florida, and I just love the color green. Emerald is my birthstone. I mean, obviously this isn't like actual emerald or anything like that, but I think that's kind of why I love like green jewelry. But anyways, these are the Perry Street Eliana drops in green. So the normal retail price of these earrings is $39, but if I wanted to purchase them as a Rocksbox member, I would pay $33. And again, that's what they look like. Super pretty. I think I'll definitely get a lot of use out of these. Next up, we have another item by Perry Street, and these are star-shaped. I thought that these would be fun for the holiday season. You can see they're like studded with little crystals. So these are the Perry Street Lucky Drops in gunmetal. So the regular retail price of this is $55, but as a Rocksbox member, you would pay $46 if you choose to keep them. I think they're cute and fun. The last jewelry piece will be a necklace. Let's get that out. So this is by Sophie Harper, which is a brand I've discovered through Rocksbox I really like. And it is just a simple, delicate necklace like I like. I have one on now, I don't even know if you could tell on camera. And it has a K on it. This was one that my stylist suggested. I think she might have actually suggested all of these. Usually I swap items, but I think I kept everything this time. So it's just a K for Kitty. I really like that. I think it's really cute. So the Sophie Harper initial pendant in K, the retail price is $50, but as a member, I would pay $42. So again, if I fall in love with all of these pieces, I can use my monthly payment, so the $21 for it. And if I keep all three, I save an additional $10. So that is everything that came in my Rocksbox. Again, if you guys have any questions about the service or anything like that, definitely leave a comment down below and ask me. I've been getting this for a long time. I feel like it's been years now. I really like using Rocksbox because I can switch out jewelry. I kind of get sick of things quickly, and I also like to try different trends from time to time, so it's perfect for that because I don't want to have like a huge jewelry collection that I don't really use. I do end up purchasing jewelry from Rocksbox, like maybe 1 or 2 pieces every time actually. The earrings I'm wearing today, I think these are by Ava Rose if I'm remembering correctly. I purchased from a previous Rocksbox actually. But yeah. So let me know your thoughts down below. Again, if you're interested in this service, you can try it for free, which is pretty freaking awesome. I wish more subscription services offered this. You can kind of test it out before you commit to any subscriptions. If you do subscribe, you can cancel at any time. There's no long-term contracts or anything like that. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.